Scottish Open on the 5th of September at Glasgow. Payback. We've got Luke Gamble in lane 1, Scott Davison lane 2, Ian Archibald lane 3, Mark McPake lane 4, Stephen McFarlane lane 5, David Russell lane 6, Mike Fraser lane 7 and Rab Lambie in lane 8. Drops on this one, it's going to be hotly contested today. Looks like it's going to be Luke Gamble leading it out. No, Scott Davison comes on the low line there. It's going to be Luke that's leading it out from Scott. As Ian Archibald and Rab's over the top of the berm. He's gone out of this one. Still going to be Luke leading this one out, followed by Scott Davison, Ian Archibald and Mark McPake. Looks like it's going to be Luke down the last straight though. Scott and Ian there for your top 3. Move on to the second. In this one we've got Jay Sims in lane 1, Stephen McFarlane lane 2, Rab Lambie lane 3, Mike Fraser lane 4, David Russell lane 5, Brett Archibald lane 6, Kenny Hunter lane 7, Jack Hall in lane 8. Payback is off. It's going to be Jack leading it into the first corner. It's going to be Brett behind him. It's going to be Gary Bailey there on a 69 plate. In the third spot, Rab Lambie in the taking a really tight line there. Kenny Hunter is in 5th, but Jack is leading this one out. Brett in the second spot. It's going to be a hot race the third. Rab there taking another low line and pushing through. So Rab is on it today. He's doing well. Bit upset there. Oh, falls before the line. How unlucky can that guy get? Hopefully Rab's alright. It's not over the line, so we can't award him the place there in the third spot. He's going to come in that motor, unfortunately. But Rab was trying his hardest, bless him. And that is Payback on its way. Looks like it's going to be Luke Gamble, Sean McGlade, Scott Davison coming through hard there. Nearly into the lead up inside of Gamble, but it wasn't happening. It's going to be Jack Hall in the third spot, Scott Davison still 4th. Luke is leading this one out, Sean McGlade in the second spot. 4 riders are on it today. Right out the front, looks like it's still going to be Luke down the final straight. So it's going to be Luke, Sean and Jack for your top 3. Okay, so the second, ukpayrolls.com Payback.